Welcome. In this video I will show you how to stop waking up Bixby on power button on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. To do that, you're gonna have to open Settings, then in Settings select Advanced Features. Once you access Advanced Features in your settings, you're gonna have to select Side button, then select Long Press, and then switch Bixby or Google Digital Assistant to Power Off menu. And after that, if you hold down the power button, it will open up the power menu on your screen. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.